When you think about living in a luxury apartment, what comes to mind? New appliances, modern floor plans, and usually an expensive monthly rent payment. What most people don't realize is there are benefits to living in a luxury apartment that can save you money in the long term. In this video, I'm going to be going through some of the hidden benefits of luxury apartment living. Most apartment communities have a fitness center on site, but they usually lack some of the equipment necessary for a full body workout. Luxury apartments typically spend the extra money on a larger space and better equipment for working out. Luxury apartment communities also usually have fitness classes that residents can sign up for, like Zumba or kickboxing. Essentially, this makes it just like a regular gym, so you can completely cut out your regular gym membership if you have one. Location is another benefit that often goes overlooked with luxury apartments. Since they're usually close to shopping, dining, and entertainment, you can save a lot of time and money on gas. Living close to work is another major benefit in terms of overall satisfaction. Researchers in the UK found that adding 20 minutes of commuting per day has the same negative effect on overall job satisfaction as a 19% cut in pay. Luxury apartments are also typically safer than other apartments. Usually there will be added security in the form of security cameras or a gate. This won't necessarily protect you or your car from theft, but it is a major deterrent, and you can breathe easier knowing there's an additional barrier between you and the surrounding area. A growing trend among apartment communities is to have a spa and wellness center on site. If you aren't already regularly going to a spa, this is a perfect opportunity to treat yourself at no extra cost. Many communities have massage and facial treatment services, and if not, they usually have a hot tub or sauna to relax in. These amenities are perfect for relieving stress and unwinding at the end of a long day. If the spa isn't really your thing, most luxury apartments have a courtyard or garden area to relax in, which brings a little bit of nature to where you live. If you work remotely, you know how expensive renting a workspace can be. Luxury apartments usually have business centers where you can connect to Wi-Fi, print documents, and get work done all without leaving home. In addition to business centers, the on-site team usually plans resident events where you can socialize with other tenants and have a fun night in. And since apartments get crowded quickly, you can book event rooms for private parties of your own. This is especially nice as a tenant because then there's no risk of driving or having to find an Uber home. If you aren't sold on luxury apartments yet, let us know your concerns in the comments below, and if you are convinced, give this video a like. Either way, subscribe to this channel for more videos on apartment living. Thank you for watching, we'll see you again next week.